Long and short vowel sounds introducing some animals' names. Long A vowel sound. Boys and girls, meet Angel. A, Angel. Do you hear the long A vowel sound at the beginning of her name, Angel? Short A vowel sound. Boys and girls, meet Annie. Annie. Do you hear the short A vowel sound at the beginning of her name, Annie? Long E vowel sound. Boys and girls, meet Eve. Eve. Do you hear the long E sound at the beginning of her name, Eve? Short E vowel sound. Meet Elvis. Elvis. Do you hear the short E sound at the beginning of his name, Elvis? Long I vowel sound. Boys and girls, meet Ivory. Ivory. Do you hear the long I sound at the beginning of her name, Ivory? Short I vowel sound. Now meet Isabel. Isabel. Do you hear the short I sound at the beginning of her name, Isabel? Long O vowel sound. Boys and girls, meet Otis. Otis. Do you hear the long O sound at the beginning of his name, Otis? Short O vowel sound. Meet Oscar. Oscar. Do you hear the short O sound at the beginning of his name, Oscar? Long U vowel sound. Boys and girls, meet Hugo. Hugo. Do you hear the long U sound at the beginning of his name, Hugo? Short U vowel sound. Boys and girls, I want you to meet Upton. Upton. Do you hear the short U sound at the beginning of his name, Upton? Long vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Short vowels. A, I, A. You are smarter!